Hi everyone, good morning from Educating Path. It is the railway recruitment job vacancy in Rail Infrastructure Development Company, Karnataka Limited. It is coming it is under the government of Karnataka and the Ministry of Railway. So details of the job vacancy, the joint venture of Government of Karnataka and the Ministry of Railway, Government of India. The Bangalore Suburban Rail Project and a Railway Doubling Project. So invite the application for the following post: Senior DGM, JGM, AGM Finance, Senior Executive Finance, General Manager Electrical, Senior DGM, JGM, AGM Electrical, DGM Senior Manager, Deputy Manager HR, Senior Executive Company Secretary, Senior DGM, JGM, AGM Urban Planning Architects, Senior Manager and Deputy Manager Urban Planning Design, Senior Executive Urban Planning, General Manager CPM Civil, Senior Executive Civil, Senior Executive IT, DGM Senior Manager Science and Technology, Senior Executive and Executive Telecommunication, General Manager Civil and Design. So apply mode is a online mode application. So the website address www.kride.in www.kride.in. So last date for applying through online mode is 30/11/2022. So last date is 30/11/2022. So it is the railway job vacancy. So thank you, all the best for your future from Educating Path. Like that, if you want to get the government job notification, then you have to subscribe the Educating Path YouTube channel. Thank you.